You know, recycling may not be the best solution right now, but if you don't support it, it'll never progress. How's your gam?
She's alright, I guess. I don't know. The whole bunch of shit happening. Doctors say she should be making a full recovery, but I don't know. I'm kind of depressed.
Man, Paul's videos are getting good. We can't have that kind of competition.
Skit scat, I'm the Kit Kat, here to ruin your video, boy.
So many people nowadays are getting sick. It's freaking me out. Didn't you say someone in your family's died?
Oh, yeah, man. Totes bummer of a story, though. You see, my grandma was a sea captain for
Man, my new
15
character
years
needs to
of
be
her day.
badass.
When she met my
Like
grandpa,
throwing lightning at these
on
bitches
the
from a
boat of
cloud while
Shanana
eating penny
on the
candies.
Lake Mununusini.
Yeah.
God damn! Ouch! No, God, no. God, my knee! Jesus, fucking knee!
Ah, come on, Zeus. I swear we're not racist. So it turns out it's not anal cancer. So, you know, that's pretty sweet.
They killed Dracula in 1962.